My mic was off. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are back for the evening session. I said I was going to be back tomorrow, but I'm back now. What a surprise. Actually, I don't want to trade tomorrow's afternoon session, so I'm going to stream now. Try to get some trades in on my take profit account. And then once I do that, probably just call it. But yeah, I mean, trade my take profit, and then I'll trade my Apex tomorrow for the New York Open, and then we're gonna call it. Going to Friday, I kind of want to just, to be honest, focus on other things. I want to say chill for Friday, but in reality, there ain't no time to chill. I gotta edit more videos. I gotta pump out more content. I gotta build my brand. You guys know what I'm saying? You gotta keep building the brand. That's what it is. But we just got to get this going here. We have about 40 seconds until market open. Took a loss today on the take profit account. I went down 600. Took two dumb trades at the beginning and then kind of just dug myself a hole. But I was able to scratch and claw my way back up a little bit just to be down around, I would say, 300. So what's the plan right now? Just, oh. Let's see, power hour. Dang, power hour, we literally just, oh, that was 2 o'clock. Yeah, we just sold. What the heck? So where did we end up on the day? There we go. Market open. We closed high up here. I mean, look like the bulls are back in control. So obviously coming in strong here. Will the bears be able to drive it down? Is this gonna be the move? Hey. Let's see, yesterday, what happened during Asia yesterday? We sold yesterday for Asia. Did we? Yeah, no, we sold and then we just rocketed it up. So did the bears take control again today? I mean, if they flip this candle green, I think the bulls are back in town. Something like that. Wouldn't be too bad. See if we can get tagged in here. Look, they just take this. ES is moving back up, so I'm gonna mark it in here. ES is flipping back to the green side. I want to see NASDAQ just flip it green again and then continue this move up. ES moving up. NASDAQ is down, lagging a little bit behind here. Need them to flip it green right here. Would be great. Uh-oh. Did I jump the gun on this? Come on, NASDAQ. There we go. Flip it green. Let's just flip it to 14 immediately. Don't need ES is pumping to the highs again. Let's go. Flip it green. Flip it green. Come on. Flip it above 10, and then we should be able to get a rocket up. Looking at the ask here as well. Bears are trying to hold us down. There we go. We're flipping it green. Perfect. Gonna move this to break even. Want to see this flip immediately up there. I don't want to get stopped out here. I want this to just roll right through it, steamroll through to 1450. Come on, NASDAQ. 12. You got it. Looking at the ask here. 11. 10. Oh. Where's the juice? Come on, NASDAQ. Where's the juice? Where's the juice? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa. Looks like I'm going to take this break-even trade. Which is fine by me. I'd rather take a break-even than lose money. But I would rather take this full TP if it wants to just rocket on up. get back above 10s and just 50, right to 1450, right at the top of the candle. Yes, ES flipped to green. Oh, all right. We're up $5.50, so I can't be mad. ES ripped up and Nasdaq is just lagging. Tragic. All right, got that out of the way. It's always like the first trade is always the most nerve-wracking. Not gonna lie. Always the most nerve-wracking. Well, give it time. If the Bears come back in and close it below here, I think the Bears take control. So I think it was a good move to move this to break even. ES is moving up though, and Nasdaq is still down here. So there's a divergence between the two. I'm not a fan of it. I also took it long as well because I saw ES pushing up. And normally the two move in congruence, but sometimes you get this kind of crap. But I am up $5. So I mean, $5.50. Who's up $5 on an Asia session? Exactly, just me. Suck it. $5, dude. For Asia's session up. Oh, look at that. Took me out and then just went up. Tough. But let's look at what happened during Asia yesterday. I'll show you guys 15 minutes. Asia is right here. So this candle right here is Asia. You're following my mouse. Look at this crosshair. It's sold. And then it just, like, we just went up. Oh, I mean, it's like a slow grind up. Oh, we want to put that down here. Have a little gap there that's been filled. If ES falls back down, I mean, shoot, if it's not going to go up, this not going to go up, it's going to come down, I'll take a short. Try to get the lows down here. It's a little bit risky around to take a short. I don't want to chase. The move is probably to market in here, but I'm just gonna wait. Bears are in. I think this is where we go. We can probably look to take some shorts. This candle I think should have closed green. I mean, a straight breakthrough 14s. Should have just been a straight volley on up. We are at VWAP here as well, so just kind of chopping here. I am glad I took that. I mean, I'm not really happy that I took the break-even trade because I would have gotten filled if I would have just left my stop, but I don't want to take a loss. I am fine with taking. Hey, I still profited $5, so you know, I think I'd rather be in profit than not. If you guys get my vibe, if you know what I'm saying. If you know what I'm saying. Here we go. Let's see here if we get filled in. I'd be okay if I took this loss. There we go, filled back in. ES still trying to approach the highs, but I'm looking to see if we can just continue to get this flush. kind of just fake out some of the bulls, think it's gonna go back up, but then just continue falling. Would be absolutely pristine. So as long as we can get this to flush back down under 190s, I think the bears should be able to come in through here. I don't want to see them hold up here. I would rather them break down right now, but it might take a bit. There we go. I like that close. That's a good close on the 3-minute. Closing bearish. Throw that junk. So let's see if we can get this to push on down. Keep on going down. Want to see the bull step in. I want to see the bear step in strong here, though. I think the right move probably is to put my TP right here, though. Coming down here is going to be, I would imagine, quite a bit of a battle. Because we're approaching where we rejected, so I think putting it midway for TP would be a good spot. Just don't need to see the bulls pull through here. Need to see them keep on flushing. We are below VWAP now. Let this trade play out. Obviously, I think it's going to be a bit of a battle here because we had some chop here. This is basically 330. I mean, there's not much going on, but we chopped here for a bit, so I would imagine they're trying to hold up this level. So if we break through 95, I want to see us get a pretty clear flush down here. There we go. Bears are stepping back in. Can we get this continuation down to 87? Break through 90s. We're trying to hold it up. ES is falling back down as well. Looking good. Looking pristine. Need to see the bear step in strong here. Ooh. What is this crap? Whoa. Whoa. No bears? No, bears are still, ES is still coming down too. I think we just gotta give him some time. Come on, bears, flush it. Keep on flushing it. Kind of mimicking what we did yesterday for Asia Open. If you look at the past previous session for Asia, it sold like this and then it just rallied up, but I want to see this just continue to fall down. I'm going to move this to break even though, again. If it comes back up here, it's not going to look good. If the bulls come back up and push it above my entry, I think they're going to try to rally back up, and I would rather not be in that position. I'd rather them break down right here, right now. Of course, he's going to try to come back, stop me out, and then go or something. Need the bears to come in, back in strong. They need to keep flushing this. Freaking bulls are trying to hold it up here. Come on, Bulls. Give it up. Come on, Bears. Come on through. Come on through. Flush it. 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 Take it down. Take it downtown. Let's go 10 points to the downside. Bulls are trying their best to hold up here. Come on. Come on, Bears. Dump, 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 dump. Like I said, I don't want it to come back to my entry. I want it to just keep flushing here. Break 90s and let's go 87, 75. We almost had the break, but they just kind of whipped it, you know, whippy on do it back up. Whoop-de-doo. Here we go, 96. Can we get 95 on the bid? 95 pops up, would be better. Iron. Hey, welcome back, welcome back. I'm doing good. I know I said I was gonna, I'll be back tomorrow for the New York, but I decided that I would stream this session here because I don't want to stream the afternoon, so just gonna be making a trade on my take profit. All right, let's go Bears, come on. The more they delay here, the more I don't like it, but I want to see them break through here 90 with authority. But you know, all's good, man. All is well. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on. Don't do this now. Dump! Come on! What are you doing? Don't come back up. Don't come back up. Go down. Go down. Yes, I do trade Asia. I mean, I trade all sessions except for London. I haven't officially traded London yet, but I will trade Asia now. I'm trading Asia now too because I'm not going to be trading tomorrow afternoon or when I get back from the morning session. So figured I'd hop on now and just do this very quick. $91, come on. Come on, break it. Break it. Alright, screw it. I'm gonna take down 210. It's just stalling. I hate it so much. This is Asia. Whatever. I'm up 206. I'm kind of, you know, I kind of squeezed back a little bit what I've lost. I mean, technically, I guess I'm down like $70 now overall because of the intraday. But gosh, freaking hate that, dude. Why couldn't I just dump? Yeah, you know, I do need to work on my diamond hands. I'll be honest, man. Sometimes I'm kind of a sissy at times at holding this. Well, I just had to bail out there. I don't like how I didn't break 90s immediately. It probably could still go do it, but it's trying to pull this bull crap. Going back up. How long have I been trading? I've been trading for, I think this is going to be my 5th year now. Yes. Practicing patience. See, I mean, look at that, dude. Freaking, I hate this market sometimes. But yeah, I don't want to just not answer your question. I've been trading for, I think I started in 2021. I have to go back. I don't remember the full journey, but I think this will be my 5th year trading. Or is it 4th? I can't tell you, but at least 4 to 5 years now. That's how long I've been trading. I'd have to go back and look at my first ever video. I could probably get you a more accurate answer. Let me go do that right now. You know what? Let's go look at my videos. See, look at that. Look at that. If I didn't take profit, it was gonna come back and stop me out, and then it was gonna dump. Piece of Freaking gosh, I hate you. Hate Nasdaq. Gosh. Probably could still go short here, but let's go look here. Let's see. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, I guess I started in 2022. Huh. Has it really been that short? Okay, so I guess 4 years trading now, so... No, this would be my 5th year, but overall 4 years trading so far. Oh! What is this? It's not gonna go down? Yeah, freaking piece of crap. It's pulling almost the same thing yesterday. Is it gonna rally back up? Are we gonna do the exact same thing for Asia? Or are we gonna chop here and fall off a cliff? I think they probably still just needed some more liquidity here. I wouldn't be opposed to taking a short up here again. Just depending, ES is trying to take the highs again. Good old ES. Alright. We are back at VWAP here. Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are the bears gonna do here? Are they gonna hold it down? Take it again, see if you want to... Actually, let's wait. I don't like how the 5-minute candle kind of closed. It might dump now, to be honest. I wanted to see it break 5 again. Like, entry at 7 would be better. Because 5 minute, I mean, it has a weird candle. I guess there's a little bit of wick. Getting back in here will be better though, up at 4. ES did try to break bow. Okay, never mind. Alright, never mind. Look at that. Hey, I'm up $200 though. I can't really be mad about missing this opportunity, this entry. I mean, I think there's still a chance. If they do close down here, open up a new candle. There we go. I think this is where the break officially comes in now. Finally getting this to dump down. There we go. Tagged in. Let's see if we can get this continuation. Close down here and just break these 90s. Because we had some issue there. Or are they going to try to pull some kind of shenanigan? Kind of chasing here, but if they do just follow and close down here, get some sort of follow through. Come back to these lows down here. Alright, Nasdaq. Time for you to do your thing and sell. No, let's go. Don't pull the same shenanigan you did yesterday. I need you to keep coming on through. Close it at 90s, 91s, 92s, and we flush. Got about 30 seconds until we open up new candle. I want to see it close below my entry. Would be better. It would be best. Can we close below 95? If the bears can close it, okay. A decent close. No follow through by the bears. You got ES kind of trying to move back up. Really need the bears to step in here. Break it down below 90s and just a quick little love tap to this support area. The more they hold up here, the more they're just giving power to the bulls. We'll try to steamroll back up to the upside, but I don't want to see that. Want to see them get a clear breakdown here. Small gap at 98. There we go. Can we get them to keep selling? Need ES to dump off a cliff too. ES is not trying to dump right now, so holding up NASDAQ. Freaking ES, come on. Tudu, how's it going? This is a different trade. I did take profit for the last one, and this is a different trade now. This is a second trade. Originally wanted it to break down to like 97. It didn't pull back up, but we rejected off VWAP, and we had a good move down. So I wanted to see if the bears had enough juice to just flip it down here and break it down to 90 very quick, but now we're stalling. They're just giving power to the to the bulls. It's kind of frustrating. I don't like seeing this crap. Just dump. Come on, just do it. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Watching my videos, dude. I appreciate it. Learn how to trade futures. Are you trading anything else right now? I mean, are you new to futures, or do you have like a background in options, or I guess it's not really the same. I'm not gonna say options and crypto and stuff that they're saying, but uh-oh. Not looking good. Retail traders, yes. Hey, just like all of us, man. I understand. Uh-oh. But futures is great, man. Obviously, this is not financial advice, but I'm definitely glad I started in futures. I mean, I don't have really any experience in options or crypto, forex, anything like that. But whenever I first started, I guess back in 2022, I was trying to figure a way how I could day trade and get past the PDT, which I was full on committed to trading options. I was like, if I need to wake up and scan stocks at 3 a.m. before I go to work, I will do whatever. And the PDT rule, I think, is no longer a thing. They got rid of it now, so I think you can trade without getting flagged. But a couple years ago, it was not like that. You were only limited to 3 trades in a week. I know I'm probably don't need to, you already know that, but yeah, I was just committed to the bit, and then I somehow landed on futures. I found it through some YouTube videos, and I was like, no PDT. Let me take a look, and that's where everything started. It was a series of ups and downs, and I eventually moved on to prop firms. Dang, China stocks going from $1 to $18. Dude, that's pretty. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Uh-oh. Oh man, the bulls are just gonna come right back in. Freaking ES. Come on. But those pumps and that's the thing that I mean, it's good and bad. I'm not gonna lie. You know, those pump and dumps. Now it's obviously it's only good whenever you catch it as a win, right? If you are in the pump and you catch it, great. But you catching it while it's dumping, nah. But I totally feel that, man. And futures definitely. I mean, I love futures. I'm never gonna switch away from this. I mean, I do want to do some calls and stuff too. Like eventually, once I make more money, right? But right now, as a day trader, I'm trading futures. I only made 368, dude. That is profit. $368. I know it doesn't seem like much, but that will add up. 100%. You're basically, I mean, if you turn that into like an hourly salary, you're making $46 an hour. So that's solid, man. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bulls are trying to come back. This is not looking good for me, folks. I'm about to give back all my profits. $100 shares. Are you like, I guess, what's the technical term? Because those dollar stocks, it's not penny stocks, right? Or would you consider it a penny stock? Mike. All right, I think we're back. My mic cut out for some reason. Can y'all hear me now? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. Don't do it. All right, perfect. All right. Sweet. Go down, Nasdaq. Don't do it. Don't take me out. Don't do it. Just dump. Dump. All right, ES is trying to break to the downside again. Let's go dump. Just freaking massacred. Jump off a cliff. Dive down. Do a nice a nose dive. Fall on kamikaze to the downside. Dump. Today was pretty good. I have 2 funded accounts. I made $200 on one of them, and then this one here, I took a $200 loss. Basically, I mean, I think it was more like 300. Oh, East Coast, so you're on New York time. Hey, I am Central time. Oh no. No. Dump. Don't go back up. Don't you dare. Go down. Just dump. Freaking ES. Dump. Take it back down. Come on, Nasdaq. Dump it down. Uh-oh. Yes, I am currently trading Profirm. Right now, the one that I'm trading with is Take Profit, and then I have another funded account with Apex. It's my last one that I have with them. But yes, I am a Profirm trader. I did start out live, but I'm not quite well equipped yet for a live account, if I'm gonna be frank. I'm being honest. So I'm trading Profirms, and I mean, I love trading with Profirms, dude. I've made money from Profirms, we'll just say that much. And I do have my payouts and stuff too in my videos, but Profirms are such a good way to start out and scale, especially if you are a beginner, because if you want to trade futures, in order to trade Nasdaq on a mini, which is what I'm trading right now, you need to have 1,000 US dollars in an account in order to trade one mini. But if you go under that 1,000, you're gonna get basically kicked out of trade, liquidated. So like realistically, if you want to trade one mini, you need to have $2,000 to have the buffer, right? Just on the safe side. So live accounts, you need to have capital. I don't really have that capital right now, so I'm taking advantage of Profirms. Do you have to pay a monthly fee or something? So depending, yes, I'll just say yes, because they have a monthly subscription. You buy an evaluation. Some Profirms don't charge you a monthly fee, but just hear me out, all right? I'm gonna explain it. Some accounts, Profirms offer a one-time payment, so you just buy an evaluation, and then let's say it's $100. We'll just put that amount. That's usually what you're paying for if you're buying a 50K account, but it's $100, and then you have 30 days to pass. If you don't pass within the 30 days, it'll rebill unless you cancel that. So that's it. Once you pay the $100, they give you access to, there are some brokerages that they have. I personally use Tradeovate to trade, but there's many others. You can use NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader owns Tradeovate, but NinjaTrader has their own software that you have to be on a PC in order to trade. But you got that. You have, I think, Quant Tower as well, but you pay the fee, you get activated, right? They give you your login information. You log in. You got 30 days to trade to pass, hit their requirement, and then you get moved to a funded account. 50K, nice. Yeah, man. My bread and butter is I love the 50Ks. That's what I trade with. I don't trade any others. I started out, actually, what I did, I'll take it back. Whenever I first started, I started out with the 100Ks, but it's just kind of stupid, to be honest, dude. I trade with the 50Ks. I mean, you have $2,000 of drawdown. It's not really your money. It's the prop firm's simulated money. But I mean, if you can't make money with $2,000, you probably don't need to be trading. You know? Been trading for 4 years now. I think this will be my 5th year, but in total, like complete years, 4 years so far. Started back in 2022, and then we're here now. I don't know the full. I can't remember the whole thing, but yeah, I've been at it for at least 4 years now. There's been a lot of ups and downs. I'll say that much. Yeah, I appreciate it. To be honest, I wish I was doing better. You know, but no, it's coming back up. No, go down. Don't come up. Don't wake me out. Don't be like this. Go down. Go down, don't come up. But jokes aside, yeah, I mean, definitely could be, I could be doing better. You know, there's always it's just a human greed, right? We always want to do better. And I mean, I'm obviously not where I want to be yet. I definitely want to make more money, right? Right now, I'm not making all the money in the world, whatever that is. You know, I guess it's subject to each person, subjective, but I mean, I just want to, my goal right now is to make $1 million through trading and personal branding as well. I don't know if you've seen that on my channel, but you know, I'm not just a trader. I also want to build my personal brand and also make money from there as well. Affiliates, the whole 9 yards, right? Eventually, trading's just gonna, I will keep trading, but I don't want to trade for my whole life. If you know what I'm saying, you know, trading's great, but I don't want to have to sit in front of the screen every day and click buttons. Some people have a passion for it, but I really don't. I just want to make money. I'm a simple guy. I just love making money. You know, that's what I want to do. Paying out monthly. Right now, I mean, usually I either blow my evals, but I'm on a monthly basis. It differs because everybody, you might buy more than one evaluation, right? But so far, I mean, last month I spent over 4K just on evaluations and stuff now. So I mean, if you're great at this, to be honest, if you are a like A+, A1 trader, you can just trade out the door and you're like some kind of genius, then you know, you might only spend $100 and make a lot of money back, you know? But yeah, I mean, definitely more than $100 monthly. Uh-oh. Gosh dang bulls, dude. They're freaking magnetized to my stop loss. There's no way I just got waked out here, right? Kind of pulling the same move we are. We're just gonna slowly climb back up. There's no way they just stopped me out. Now they're gonna go down, right? Right? But yeah, dude, no, I agree. All traders trade for money. And That's true. I mean, I don't know who doesn't trade for money. If you're not trading for money, you're probably in the wrong spot. I'm gonna be honest with you. If you're not trading for money, you might not be in the right spot, brother. I still have a feeling that we're still gonna go down. This is not just, I'm not convinced on, yeah, we're gonna go back in. Freaking. Just had to wake me out first. I want to see this be the breakthrough. It better not try to pull some shenanigan again. Stop loss is above here. I mean, if they make it back above here, we're definitely donezo. I mean, I wanted to see them above 12. If they make it back above 12, I think that's where you call it. I want to see them break it back down to the downside. Strong sell, not getting much volume here. But it's a good, this is a good dump though. I don't know which one of these is my TP over here. But we'll put it down here. Whichever one gets hit first, I guess. Of the two. Looking good. If we can get EOS to keep flushing down, it should take NASDAQ with it. This might have been, I think I just got wicked out as usual. No sir, no trend lines or indicators. Oh, I mean, I have VWAP. This very bright neon blue line is VWAP, but to be honest, I don't really use it. I just kind of, it's just there. I started out with it, it just looks nice, and it kind of just tells you like it's the volume weighted average profile. So basically just the average of all trades. But yeah, I mean, I don't really trade that anymore. I just trade price action based on what I see. Yeah. But other than VWAP, I have the pivot points, but not really like, they're kind of just more so to give me like kind of a gauge, because the pivots are basically just marking like previous highs and lows and whatnot. So for me personally, I just trade full on price action. Doesn't mean it's perfect, right? You know, I'm not saying indicators don't work, and I'm not saying that other stuffs don't work, right? No strategy is 100%. At the end of the day, it's just how you as a trader are, right? Like how you trade as a day trader is, it's you. That's it, right? But yeah, you know, no strategy is perfect. And as long as you are just managing your risk, I think that's ultimately it. Because you can just flip a coin and probably make money. And now, I'm just using that as a figure of speech, but you know, just a figure of speech. All right, can we dump now? Hey, there we go. I swear if this comes back up here, I'm gonna be so disheartened. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, but we are in 2 contracts now. Yeah, Asia usually has very low volume. You can still make money, to be honest, from trading Asia, but the volume is low. That is for sure. But I mean, I know that there are traders, usually from what I've gathered, if you're trading Asia, typically you're a swing trader. You're just holding overnight, like holding through Asia, through London, all the way to New York Open. And you can make some killers. My biggest trade that I ever actually took was during Asia, surprisingly. It wasn't during New York. New York can be tricky because it's just like so volatile and whippy, like back and forth. So it can be tricky. Hold on, I gotta use the restroom and I gotta change my camera too. So, well, I gotta change the camera battery. So give me a second here, folks. I'm gonna change that and right back. So let me just deactivate. All right, folks. Well, that was ugly. We're back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. But yeah, we're back. We are back. We are back. Nothing really much has happened since I was gone. Got the guy staying Bowles trying to hold it up. Give it up, Bowles. Just die. Oh, I mean, not literally. I'm just, figurative speech. Hey, thank you, man. Alright, this is where I would want the bears to come through and break it down. Please don't chop up here anymore. Go back down. Needy to keep falling down too, but oh, this is like, it's just watching paint dry, as I like to say. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bulls are stepping back in. Are they here to claim it? Or will the bears come through? Obviously, I want the bears to come through here. Break down through 200. 200 is holding us up. It's a lot of support here. I say a lot. It's Asia session, but I would imagine there's some support here. Uh-oh. Still going up. Come on. Just give it up. Come on, Bulls. Quit playing this game. Just die here. Just fall off a cliff. Yeah, the wick. I mean, this is good. It's a good wick on the 3-minute. I would show you. There's another wick. This wick here is nasty. Look at this. Oh, 45 to 30, 77. That's like 30 points. I'm just doing some rounded up math. But, oh, yo. Hey, yo. Oh, okay, come on. On the wig or wig? And if you, I didn't add any more. I have 2 contracts right here right now, so that's just what I'm sitting at. I'm just holding 2 contracts short. Looking to see us break down to 89. Probably not gonna get that 89. I mean, 91s. Want to see us dump. There's like the smallest gap on the 5-minute chart. It's like from 97 to 98. It's about 1 point, but bulls are trying to hold up here to run it back up. Oh, this one. No, unfortunately, iron for this one. This is at 3 o'clock. I walked away. I was done trading about like afternoon. Christian, how's it going? Yes, sir. So this is kind of revenge trading, not gonna lie, but I took this short because initially I got stopped out up here. The goal was always just to go short up here, but obviously I chased down here. You know what? Let me just show you my fills. How about this? Boom. All right. I chased right here because we had a strong move to the downside. So I was like, all right, let me take one short here. Take a short, trying to see it dump, which it didn't. It just rallied back up. Literally took me out by a couple wigs. So I think the theory is still right here. So I'm like, all right, I think the theory is still right. I still want to get in short. So playing in 2 short contracts here, looking just to target the area down here as well. And also yesterday, I mean, I could be wrong, right? But this is just me, obviously. I'm entitled to my own opinion. Yesterday during Asia, we had the same kind of movement. Let me just show you. How about that? How about I just show you, because I have this. So look, we had this. This is yesterday's Asia session. Huge sell, and then we just rallied back up, right? So we're kind of following the same suit here as well for this Asia session. Shoot. Where we sold hard at the beginning and then we're rallying back up. But I want to see us try to get some volatility to the downside. So overall, that's just why I took it. Absolutely, man. Absolutely, Christian. But yeah, I mean, the market really just moved on up. Let's still take we'll take a look at the daily chart. I mean, we've just been going up. Right now, we are in a heavy bull trend. I mean, bulls are just taking control here, which is crazy. But let me switch it back down to the 3 minutes. That's my bread and butter. Oh, we're just stalling here. Can we just dump already? It's already been over an hour. Today? Yeah, I got a little bit. During the New York Open, I caught about $200 on one of my funded accounts. And then I took a couple losses on this. This is when I trade. I took a couple losses. I was down. Well, let me take it back. I'm trying to remember what happened exactly, because I don't actually remember. But either way, I was down like $600 right off the bat. I managed to scrape back, lost a little bit, and then I came back up to just be in the negative 200, around $300, and I walked away. Today's been pretty brutal. I guess 1 for 1 is what you would say. Up on 1, down on 1. Which this is a funded account with Take Profit. I really want to try to get this above the buffer so I can start taking daily payouts again. Because I went on a tear for about 1 week with Take Profit. I was literally taking out $1,000 daily, and then my confidence got a little bit too out of whack, and I got too I guess confident, and I blew it. But I mean, that was great. That's what I love about this prop firm, is that you can take daily payouts. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, can we just drop already? Let me remove this fill so it's less clunky on the screen. Guys, this is painful. Oh, all right, are we finally gonna get this move? Let's go, come on. Come on. Don't fake us out here, NASDAQ. I need you to drop with authority. Come on. All right, looking good. Let's keep on going down. Flush it through 98s. Just straight back down to 90s. Come on. No. Don't do it. Don't wig. No. Keep going. Come on, Bears. Dump it, dump it, dump it. Hopefully my mic is not too low, guys. But, oh no! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. If they leave a wig and they close a green, the Bulls are gonna come back. Oh, never mind. This gosh dang Bulls, dude. Come on. Give it up. Gosh, we're literally fighting. We're scratching and clawing for every dollar we can get right now. Need the Bears to come through. I do need to look on. I wonder if somebody's streaming Bookmap right now. NQ Bookmap. Oh, somebody is. There are some orders at. So there are huge blocks up at 30,240. That's way up here. It's like way up here. But there is a block at 30 at 190. All right, so there's a couple blocks down here. There are a couple blocks down here. There's 26 orders at 30, 190. So normally the market is drawn to liquidity, so it would be lovely if we could just dump down here, which is at the low of these. Kind of makes sense, but sometimes it doesn't happen like that. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No follow throughs at all from the Bears. What the heck is this, dude? This is not good. This ain't good, folks. Uh-oh. Dude, is my camera about to die again? I literally just charged it all day. I've been charging it for like a couple hours now. These batteries are just so out of whack. Whatever. I'll change it here in a bit. Once it dies, I'll go change the battery pack. It's right. So flick the thing right here. It's about to die. Oh boy. Well, I guess if it dies, I'll probably just kill the stream at that point, and I'll give you guys an update on what happens tomorrow, or I might just go no camera for the remainder of the stream. Whatever, whatever happens here first. Looks like the Bulls are winning. They held this. My USB cam, it's kind of, the quality on it is pretty trash. So right now I'm using a Canon EOS, so it's actually like an actual DSLR camera. I have a battery that is like a USB that you can plug it in, but it's just another cord. I'm like, normally I don't stream for that long enough to justify using it because I just switch out the battery packs. But yeah, I probably need to pull out that thing moving forward. But that's my reason why. Uh-oh, ES is moving on up. It's just glued to my stop loss. I don't know if it's just me or you guys experience it too, where the market is just glued to your stop loss. Never ever your TP. Looks like I'm taking this loss again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dang. What a bummer. I think this was probably the move for the Bears to break on down, but they don't want it. I guess this is good timing. My camera's about to die too, so either my camera dies first or I get... Oh, and there we go. Down 447, but honestly, I think I'm going to call it here. This is a series of unfortunate events, but what can you do, right? Yeah, but I'm out. I'm gonna call it here and walk away before I do anything more stupid, to be honest. Or I might just full port here, short. Nah, I'm gonna walk away. Nah, dude, don't apologize. There's no need. Sometimes this is how it goes in trading. Sometimes you're the hammer, sometimes you're the nail. But I'm gonna call it here. I will be back tomorrow for New York Open. So if you guys are watching New York Open, I will be live for that. Other than that, I'm going to call it here and walk away before I do anything dumb. But y'all have a good night, and I will see you guys in the morning.